And you may have seen some scooters around town. Bird announced their launch of its micromobility program in Pocatello last month. They offer an eco-friendly solution to last-mile transportation with a fleet of electric scooters. Bird says they aim to reduce traffic congestion, decrease carbon emissions, and improve accessibility in the city. Scooters can be accessed at a number of locations around town, which riders can access via the Bird app. Bird says they're excited to bring an innovative and sustainable transportation option to the area, providing a convenient and fun way for locals and tourists to explore the community.